Hey, Trix, what's that? It's an angel. She's playing pretty music for you. Oh, yeah, you smelling her? Yeah. Oh, you like the music, don't you? Yeah. Hey, Trix. Hey. What are you doing to the angel? Trix, what are you doing?